स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि हम लोगों का पीटी क्रैश कोर्स स्टार्ट हो चुका है, जिसके अंदर हम लोगों आपको एनसीईआरटी टॉपिक वाइज प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस, इंडिया ईयर बुक, इकोनॉमिक सर्वे, रिपोर्ट्स और सर्वे, अदर रिपोर्ट्स और सर्वेज, 1 ईयर करंट अफेयर्स, सी सेट के अंदर मैथ्स, इंग्लिश, रीजनिंग और मैथ्स, इंग्लिश, रीजनिंग और इंग्लिश कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव, और इसके साथ साथ जितना भी पोर्शन आप लोगों को पीटी के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है वो सारा करवाएंगे। साथ में आपको टेस्ट सीरीज अवेलेबल करवाएंगे, जो कि पूरा 100 टेस्ट आपको अवेलेबल करवाकर पीटी के सक्सेस को श्योर करवाएंगे। तो जो भी स्टूडेंट हमारे इस पीटी के कोर्स को ज्वाइन करना चाहता है वो हमारे दिए गए नंबर्स पे कॉल करे, व्हाट्सअप करे, या फिर वो किसी भी तरीके से हमसे कांटेक्ट करे। हम अपने आप इन्फॉर्मेशन बाकी प्रोवाइड कर देंगे। आओ अब टॉपिक स्टार्ट कर।
Now come to the point. The most abundant gas emitted from volcano is exactly, बहुत बढ़िया, सबसे ज्यादा क्या निकलता है? वाटर वेपर्स। वाटर वेपर सबसे ज्यादा निकलती हैं। उसके बाद कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड वगैरह के ऊपर देखा जाता है, डिपेंड किया जाता है कि वेदर दीज आर एमिटेड और नॉट। क्यों डिपेंड करता है कि नीचे कार्बन और सल्फर हैं भी या नहीं। तो सबसे मैक्सिमम लेवल पर वाटर वेपर्स निकलती हैं वॉल्केनोज के अंदर से। अंडरस्टैंड? नेक्स्ट इज ऑल ऑफ यू मस्ट लर्न द साइट्स, मेनली द नेम ऑफ द साइट्स वेयर द वॉल्केनोज आर प्रेजेंट, and you also have to learn the topics related to these sites or important sites of that, important facts or points of that particular sites. Now, which of the following is the highest volcanic mountain of the world? Now come to the point. Which of the following is the highest volcanic mountain? Highest volcanic mountain कौन सा है? Very good. क्यों आज न्यूज में क्यों था? बस ये करंट अफेयर से जुड़ गया है। इन रियलिटी माउंट कोटोपेक्सी इज द हाईएस्ट माउंटेन माउंटेनियस वॉल्केनो ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। Look at here how you used to learn all these things. Listen, Mount Cotopaxi is the part of here. This is a country called Ecuador. This is what? Ecuador. Understand? And this Ecuador have highest capital. Approximate whole of the country is present on the mountains, and people used to say, and normally it is said that no point here no point is present or no landmass is present, no plains are present, only mountains and plateaus are present. Highest capital of the world is present here, Quinto or Quito something, and the highest mountain range is also present here. Highest mountain range, highest mountain volcano is also present here. Understand? Highest capital as well as the highest mountain range is present in Ecuador. But what the students have to must learn about it. What the students must learn about in these topics or learn here. The main thing is the students must learn the thing. हाँ जी, अब इधर देखेंगे. Now what you have to learn about this Ecuador. Look at here. This is Ecuador. First, Quito is the capital of Ecuador. Along with it, listen, look, this is Quito, and this Ecuador have border with whom? Colombia and Peru, only 2 countries. Understand? और कोशिश करो कि बगोटा, कोलंबिया, भगोड़ा, समझे? पेरू, लीमा, these are capital. ये भी साथ में याद कर लेंगे. You also have to learn all these capitals. Understand? Now next, one more thing you all have to all these things are important, that when you are going to learn all these things or learn all these facts, or when you are going to discuss about the volcanoes and all these things, you must focus on the thing that other mountain ranges must be known to you, must also be known to you. Understand? Therefore, all of you have an homework, that learn about Pinatubo, Kilimanjaro and Tal, that where all these mountain or volcanoes are present, where all these volcanoes are present. This is the genuine way to learn all these things, a system, genuine way to understand all these things. Next is the molten material found inside the earth is called, वही वाली बात है, गलत कर रहे हो, inside the earth. Yes, inside the earth is magma. Inside the earth is magma. Understand? But the main thing is, what is obsidian? Try to find out what is obsidian and learn about it. This is something new word. Yes, exactly. Try to learn all these things. What is obsidian? This is the genuine way to learn. I can tell you, but I am not going to tell you this. Why? Because what you would do, try to find out what is obsidian, where it is found, how it is formed, and there must be a sense that why this word or why this term is written here. Okay. Next is rock formed inside the earth as a result of solidification of volcano. Huh? Madam, it is magma, because none of the above is also an option. Yes or no? Therefore, yes, don't get confused about it. Okay, simple thing is, what is the molten material found inside the earth is magma. Over. Okay. Next, rock formed inside the earth. Please try to circle the word that is encircle. Oh, sorry, inside. As a result of solidification of lava. Exactly. By metamorph sedimentary rocks? No, because these are not directly formed from lava. Metamorphic rocks are also not formed from lava. Two words are confusing here. Volcanic rocks, if they are, means volcanic rock means the rocks which are going to form outside the earth or on the earth's surface, not inside the earth's surface. Yes or no? Therefore, these are also igneous rocks, volcanic rocks. Maybe this is term used for confusion, to create confusion. But what is the precise answer? The rocks which are formed from lava inside the earth. Where is inside? Where is inside? Plutonic rocks. Plutonic rocks. Plutonic rocks. Next, volcanic eruptions do not occur in. Volcanic eruptions do not occur in. There are 4 sea. Understand? Baltic, Black, Caribbean and Caspian. First, all of you have to learn about these sea. You must know about this sea, and if you want to study geography, you cannot ignore map. Therefore, I am using this. Understand? This is Caribbean Sea. This is Caribbean Sea. Yes or no? Yes, this is an Atlantic Ocean, but the main thing is that what countries are touching it: Panama, Costa Rica, Nicaragua, Honduras, Cuba, Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, Venezuela, Colombia. All of you must know the at least the capital of these countries. कम से कम आपको इनकी कैपिटल्स पता होनी चाहिए. At least the capital of these countries. Okay, now this is Caribbean Sea. Up one more thing: in Cuba a volcano is present in here in this region, because this region is also present at the plate edges. ये plate edges पर present हैं, तो यहाँ पर there are a lot of volcanoes present here. Therefore, you cannot say that no volcanic eruption is going to take place here. Therefore, this answer is wrong. On the other, you would find a lot of volcanoes in this region also, na? A lot of volcanoes in this region. Now, next is, this is Black Sea. Now, come to Black Sea. If somebody is studying about Black Sea, actually the importance of this Black Sea is not only the geographical, but it is quite related to, it is a very important sea related to international relations also. Therefore, try to learn about the sea in the light of international relations also, because it remains in discussions. It is a strategic location. Yes, it is a strategic location. How? Look at here. This is Black Sea. Actually, the important thing, or the most important thing about Black Sea, is that it is a sea which is surrounded by land, but the main thing is it have only two straits. Black Sea have only one strait, one very narrow strait, through which the you can move out of this Black Sea. This narrow strait, I would definitely going to discuss about it. Now, what is this? This is Black Sea. What countries are surrounding it? Ukraine, Romania, Bulgaria. Learn the name of these countries also. Turkey, Georgia, and Russia here. Why it is a news? Because it was in news in 2015 because of Crimean issue. Yes or no? Earlier, Crimea was the part of Ukraine. But later it was found that that Crimea was not the part of Ukraine. Later it got separated from Ukraine and associated itself with Russia. It associated itself with Russia. हमारी एक बहुत प्यारी सी बच्ची है, वो अपना नाम डाले, ओप्पो का फ़ोन यूज़ कर रखा है वाइट टी शर्ट में. प्लीज़ बेटा पुट योर नेम फर्स्ट, बिकॉज आई मस्ट नो द नेम ऑफ यू. ओके, आप अपना नाम ज़रूर डालें, तभी आपको क्लास में पढ़ने का भी मज़ा आएगा अगर क्वेश्चन पूछोगे तो. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज नेहा बेटा रीनेम करो अपने नाम को, ठीक है? ओके, नाउ द थिंग इज here. How would you learn about the Crimea? Crimea is nothing. Actually, this is a peninsula. 1853, a war was fought about Crimea, known for Crimean War. Yes, war was fought. It was Crimean War. ठीक है? What history says about this Crimean War? Most useless या purposeless war of this world. Most purposeless war of this world. Understand? Crimean War. Because it is quite important for Russia as well as for Black Sea. Understand? Now still it was fought. Now next thing is, which is important, what is the opening of this Russia, or what is the opening of this Black Sea is called. Now two more sea are important here. One is Black Sea, other is Marmara Sea. One is Black Sea, other Black Sea. Black Sea opens into Marmara Sea. Marmara Sea opens into Aegean Sea. Yes, now both are not the part of Mediterranean Sea. Now there are two straits. There are two straits. One is this strait. What is the name of this strait? I am not going to tell you. And other strait is this. This is also a strait. You have to learn the name of these two straits, and the most important, these are natural straits, yaar, not man-made. One more thing important about it is Istanbul. It was in news. Istanbul was in news in 2020 because of Erdogan. Because of Hagia Sophia. Earlier it was a church. Church to it became mosque. Mosque to museum, and then it again became a mosque. Understand? Hagia Sophia. Old name of Istanbul is Constantinople. Constantinople. It was captured by 1453 by Ottoman Empire. It was captured in 1453 by Ottoman Empire. Understand? And this Ottoman Empire captured it, and now it was Paris और जो भी है, तो ये कॉन्स्टेंटिनोपल है. ये इस तरीके के फैक्ट्स आपने याद करने हैं. हाँ, आमिर खान भी उधर गया था. यस, यू ऑल नो अबाउट इट. तो इसलिए अगर आप देखते हैं तो दिस इज द वे. नाउ वन मोर सी विच इज गिवन इन दैट क्वेश्चन इज कैस्पियन सी. व्हाई दिस कैस्पियन सी इज इंपॉर्टेंट? लुक एट हियर. दिस इज Caspian Sea. It is a landlocked sea. It is a landlocked sea. हाँ, largest lake of this world ना? Yes or no? Largest lake of this world is Caspian Lake. Now what is the thing here? Caspian was in news. Why? One thing here, it was in news because of the war between Armenia and Azerbaijan. Because of the war between Armenia and Azerbaijan, because of the war between Armenia and Azerbaijan, it was in news. Yes or no? Here the region of Nagorno-Karabakh, which was in news. Nagorno-Karabakh was in news. Other thing was Baku. अपनी भाभी को बोलो चाय बना देंगी. ठीक है? Other was in news. Other thing which was in news was Baku, capital of Azerbaijan. Understand? The most important thing about Baku was oldest Ganesha temple of this world. Oldest Ganesha temple of this world is found here. Understand? In Baku. इसका मतलब पुराने टाइम पर वहां पर कुछ लोग रहे होंगे, गए होंगे, कुछ भी रहा होगा. इट इज द इशू ऑफ रिसर्च ना. इट इज अ मैटर ऑफ रिसर्च. दे वुड रिसर्च. अब ये मैं तो कह नहीं रहा. अजेरी गवर्नमेंट इज सेइंग सो. भाई अजेरी गवर्नमेंट इज सेइंग सो ना. नाउ आवर एक्स जो मतलब एक्स फॉरेन मिनिस्टर, ठीक है, एक्स फॉरेन मिनिस्टर है जिनका नाम है क्या, सुषमा स्वराज, शी विजिटेड देयर, सुषमा स्वराज विजिटेड देयर, तो ये पढ़ लोगे, समझे। अब आगे वन मोर थिंग इज हियर नाउ व्हाट वाई कैस्पियन सी इज इंपॉर्टेंट। अब ये इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों है, अब आप सिर्फ इस कैस्पियन सी को देखोगे तो ओके, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, बट द मेन थिंग हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट इट। अजरबैजान इज देयर, हियर इज रशिया इज देयर, हियर इज Kazakhstan is there, and Turkmenistan and Iran is there. Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan and Iran are there. Understand? अब आप यहां देखिए, there are 5 countries. Now what मतलब which countries forms the border, or you can say sea coast on Caspian Sea? तो रशिया, अजरबैजान, ईरान, तुर्कमेनिस्तान एंड कजाकिस्तान. The other important thing is that these 5 countries, Kazakh, Uzbek, Turkiz, Tajik, Kyrgyz, these 5 countries are forming Central Asia. These 5 countries are forming Central Asia. Most important thing is that India have a air force base in this country, Kazakhstan. India have a air force base in Kazakhstan. What is the name of that place? You would find. Understand? What is the name of that base? You would find. I will not tell you, but you would find. It is the only air force base of India outside India, outside the borders of India. Why? Because this is one of the most important regions geopolitically. One more important thing here is Tajikistan. In this Tajikistan, you can see that Tajikistan is quite near to India. This is Indian Ladakh. This is Ladakh territory, and here is the border shared by India with Afghanistan. It means India shares border with Afghanistan. We are not able to reach there because this region is occupied by Pakistan, and it is formed as Pakistan occupied Kashmir. Understand? Pakistan occupied Kashmir. But we still because we have our claim over Pakistan occupied Kashmir, therefore what is there, therefore we used to claim, and we have a border with Afghanistan. Understand? This territory above India or above this region is quite much important or huge or very much important for international relations point of view. I would tell you something, an interesting story about this region on some another day, but it is quite important region of international relations or international politics. Understand? Now, this region is called Tajikistan, and Tajikistan have Pamir Plateau. Pamir Plateau, and this is also known as the roof of the world. Roof of the world. Pamir Plateau. बेटा आज के बाद ऐसी बेवकूफ़ी नहीं करनी. Pamir Plateau is present in Tajikistan. It is known as the roof of the world because maximum of the a lot of mountain ranges originates from here. For example, Tien Shan Range, Kunlun Range, Ladakh Range, Jaskar Range, Himalayan Range, Hindu Kush Range. Understand? Which again get divided into a lot of ranges. You would find. Hanji. So Pamir Plateau is in Tajikistan. One more important thing about it is that China is claiming over 45% territory of Tajikistan. China is claiming that 45% of Tajikistan's territory is Chinese territory. 45% territory of Tajikistan's territory is Chinese territory. Got my point? Yes or no? ये भी एक इंपॉर्टेंट इशू है. दूसरा, अगर आप इसे इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखते हैं तो इंडिया इज ऑल्सो ट्राइंग इट्स बेस्ट टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंशियल पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ दिस सेंट्रल एशिया. नाउ व्हाट इंडिया इज डूइंग हियर इज चाबहार. इंडिया इज ट्राइंग टू रीच टूवर्ड्स जाहेदान. From Zahedan it can enter into Afghanistan, and from Afghanistan it can reach to Central Asia. Switch off your mics. Zahid Ishfaq, beta switch off your mic. अब आप समझिए. Now India can reach up to this territory. One more thing, if India can help Iran to develop the road to Caspian Sea by train, then India can develop the north-south corridor of this world. North-south corridor, at least to reach Central Asia. At least to reach Central Asia, north-south corridor. And this north-south corridor is taken as the alternate to BRI, Belt and Road Initiative of China. India is trying to develop north-south corridor to counter Belt and Road Initiative of China. No doubt India is not getting so much successful in this region because of geopolitical influences and all, but still India is trying best to develop these type of corridors. Okay, now come to the point. The thing is कि यहां से अब ये नॉर्थ साउथ कॉरिडोर डेवलप किया जा रहा है. इंडिया इज ट्राइंग इट्स बेस्ट टू डेवलप नॉर्थ साउथ कॉरिडोर. एनी प्रॉब्लम हियर? तो ये जियोपॉलिटिकल इश्यूज को भी आप लोगों ने पढ़ना है. वन मोर थिंग, the fourth sea which was discussed or which was mentioned in it was here Baltic Sea. You must know what is Baltic Sea. This is Baltic Sea. The countries here are Sweden, Finland, Denmark, Poland, Germany, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia. Understand? And this is Baltic Sea. These three countries are known as Baltic nation. Baltic nations. One more thing, Lithuania have the language which is very much near to Sanskrit. If somebody is able to understand Sanskrit, it means he automatically knows approximate 70 to 80% of Lithuanian language. कुछ मतलब एक बहुत, हाँ, बहुत ज़्यादा क्लियर नियर टू संस्कृत लैंग्वेज है ये. तो ये इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट है. नाउ दीज क्या बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस हैं आगे. अब यहां आप देखेंगे तो बाल्टिक सी. नाउ दिस बाल्टिक सी, अच्छा यहां पर अलग अलग कंट्रीज हैं, जैसे कोपेनहेगन हो गया, स्टॉकहोम हो गया, हेलेंस्की हो गया, और भी बहुत सारे दूसरे शहर हो गए जिनके बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए, विच आर प्रेजेंट नियर बाल्टिक सी. नॉर्वे, स्वीडन, डेनमार्क, ऑल दीज कंट्रीज आर नोन एज स्कैंडिनेवियन कंट्रीज. यस और नो? स्कैंडिनेवियन कंट्रीज, इनका नाम याद रखेंगे. अंडरस्टैंड? हाँ हाँ, स्कैंडिनेवियन कंट्री या स्कैंडिनेवियन कंट्रीज जो भी है वो यही है. ओके, यू वुड लर्न द नेम ऑफ दीज. अंडरस्टैंड? तो अच्छा, अब यहां पर देखेंगे बाल्टिक सी इज नॉट प्रेजेंट एट द प्लेट एजेस। बाल्टिक सी प्लेट एजेस पर प्रेजेंट नहीं है, therefore you would not find any active volcano in this region. Understand? You would not find, ना शांत है, इट्स क्वाइट पीसफुल। समझे? तो असलियत में इसका आंसर क्या होगा? वॉल्केनिक इरप्शंस डू नॉट अकर इन बाल्टिक सी। तो मैंने आपको ये पढ़ने का तरीका बताया। Yes or no? I just told you about the way to learn all these things or way to read all these things. Okay? Way to read all these things. Next is Mount Etna. Mount Etna is what? A volcano. Where it is present? Where it is present? Sicily Island. Sicily Island, Italy. Now, where is Italy? Now where is Italy? You can see, look at here, this is Italy, and you can see this is Sicily, this is Italy, this is Tyrrhenian Sea, here is Ionian Sea, and this is Adriatic Sea. Understand? Tyrrhenian, Ionian, and Adriatic Sea. Understand? Here is Mount Etna. Okay? Now next is, where is the mountain? Mount St. Helens is present. Mount St. Helens is present. But you just have to learn the fact about it. Hawaii Islands, America, USA. Hawaii Islands, USA. This is quite a simple question. You just have to learn the facts. Mauna Loa is an active volcano, no doubt. It is an active volcano. Where it is present? Where it is present? Hawaii Islands. Just connect it. Understand? And Hawaii Islands are present here. American Ocean, sorry, United States of America, and it is Mount St. Helens is known as Fuji of USA. It is also known as Fuji, F-U-G-I, F-U-J-I, Fuji of Fujiyama Fuji of USA. Understand? Yes or no? And present in Pacific Oceans. Huh? Understand? उसी के सिमिलर है ये उसी के सिमिलर है. It is an example. Mauna Loa is an example of active volcano. Next, simple. Which of the following are active volcanoes? Yes or no? Which of the following are active volcano? Actually, this is the type of question I just want to show that this type of questions are generally asked in PT. तो आपको ये सब चीज़ें पता होनी चाहिए. Mauna Loa, active volcano. Sorry, next question is which of the following is an active volcano? Where is Aconcagua? Aconcagua is the highest peak of South America. It is not a volcano. Highest peak of South America. It is not a volcano. It is not a volcano. It is non-volcanic mountain. Next is, it means one is not present anywhere. Mount Cotopaxi. Where is this Cotopaxi is present? यार mic off रखो यार. Where is Mount Cotopaxi is present? बोलिए. Where is Mount Cotopaxi? Cotopaxi is in Ecuador. Mount Etna is present in Italy. Fujiana is Japan, and all these three are active volcano. All these three are what? Active volcanoes. Next, Mediterranean Sea. Which volcano is in Mediterranean Sea? Which volcano is in Mediterranean? Stromboli. It is also known as lighthouse or lighthouse of Mediterranean Sea. Stromboli is the ये बिल्कुल मेडिटेरेनियन के अंदर है. यूं तो एटना और विसुवियस के ऊपर भी आप कह सकते हो, समझे. नेक्स्ट इज स्ट्रोम्बोली इज एन एक्टिव वॉल्केनो. सिंपल क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट, मोस्ट एक्टिव वॉल्केनो इज, ये आपको फैक्ट नहीं पता होगा, किलायुइस. मोस्ट एक्टिव वॉल्केनो इज किलायुइस, हवाई आइलैंड, यूएसए. हवाई आइलैंड, यूएसए. अंडरस्टैंड? Hawaii Island, USA. Next is match the following type of question. This is also very much important. Match the following. Mount Etna is in. Mount Etna is in. Bolo. Sicily. Okay. Mount Vesuvius is in. कहाँ? वेरी गुड, इटली. एक सेकेंड. कोटोपैक्सी इज इन एंड एरबोस इज इन रॉस आइलैंड. लर्न दिस रॉस आइलैंड. अंडरस्टैंड? यस और नो? एरबोस इज इन रॉस आइलैंड. And this Erebus is in Antarctica. Mount Erebus is in Antarctica. Any problem? Now next. अरे ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आए? बल्कि ये खत्म हो गए हैं. Any question? यहां तक का टॉपिक क्या? लगभग यार वॉल्केनो का टॉपिक ही तो है. मैच द फॉलोइंग है, लर्न द लिस्ट. लिस्ट लर्न करो और क्या है. ठीक है.
You can download our app from Play Store for free live demo classes.